We have a formula.
Yes, sir. It will be n into x
Right.
n minus 1.
Good morning, everyone. Before we are going to start the new topic, last question from the limits here. It is a limit x tends to 5. Like we have a formula here, n into a power n minus 1. So there we have a formula like 2 by 3 into 5 power 2 by 3 minus 1. Yeah, 6 it is. 6 into 5 power 6 minus 1. And you can simplify this well. You can simplify. Now keep every limits aside. Now we are talking about differentiation. It is the next topic in class 11. Actually, what is the differentiation and how we can solve particular problems from the differentiation we'll see today.
Sir, in previous class, what have you studied?
Previous class? Previous class?
Sir, in previous class, what have you discussed?
Limits formulas. Limits problems by the previous class I discussed the limit problems. Okay.
Okay.
I'll check its differentiation. See what is called differentiation. The rate of change of dependent event with respect to independent event is called differentiation. What is this, master? I didn't understand. Look at here x and here f of x is equal to x square. Two things are there. So if I put x is equal to 1, f of x value is 1. If I put x is equal to 2, f of x equal to 4. If I put x equal to 3, f of x is equal to 9. 4, 16. That means when x value is changing, is f of x value is changing or not? एक बार check it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in this experiment, x is called dependent event and f of x is called independent event. Sorry, x is independent event and f of x is dependent event. An example, see. So in our home, there will be a fan, and there will be regulator. So if I keep the regulator and the fan speed, if I keep the regulator at 1, fan speed will be suppose 40 km per hour. If the regulator is at 2, fan speed will be 100 km per hour. If regulator at 3, it is a 120 km per hour. That means which one is depends on which one? Is regulator is depends on the fan speed or fan speed is depends on the regulator?
Fan speed depend upon
Yeah, fan speed is depends on the regulator. Then regulator is called independent event. And the speed is called dependent event. One is called independent, other one is called dependent. So how much the change in dependent event with respect to dependent event में कितना change हुआ सदा with respect to the independent event? ये तो call it as a derivative, a differentiation. देखो one more example we have. One more example. देखो यही function है. Suppose I am going to the hill station with my car like this. And here the light will come like this, no? If I move to here, is there is any change in my light beam? There is a change in light beam. Definitely the light beam will change. So depends on my position. Definitely my light beam will change. Mathematically, how we'll say this is the curve, suppose, and here it is x, and here it is x plus 1. When it is x, its functional value is f of x, means its light beam is f of x. When it is here, this light beam is f of x plus h. So x is independent event. F of x is dependent event. There is a two things, x and f of x. Now when I'm moving from here to here, is there is change in independent event or not? Means f of x is changed to f of x plus 1. Agar a change hua hai, there is a change. Now I'll ask how much the change? How much the change? Then you should say, master, the change is f of x plus h minus f of x by x plus h minus x. So I'm writing again, change in dependent event with respect to independent event. Dependent event में change होता है, it will have the change in dependent event with respect to the independent event. Then x get cancelled, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now अगर h वैल्यू क्या ना, h वैल्यू है लार्ज वैल्यू नहीं है, h का वैल्यू स्मॉल वैल्यू है. मतलब देखो ये फिगर में यही x तो ये इमीडिएट वाला इमीडिएट नंबर तो कॉल्ड इट एज x plus h. That means ये दोनों का डिफरेंस शुड बी वेरी स्मॉल. h tends to 0. Some of the members may not understand. See, I'll give one example. One funny example I give you. Sir, one day in my childhood, sir, this is my house, suppose. In my, the anchor, my father shirts and pants and my shirts and pants, the anchor. And one day when I'm going like that, and my father's shirt fell down from the anchor and I took it up. In that, unfortunately, I saw a 50 rupees. So that day we have a cricket match, I have to play. So I took 50 rupees from his pocket without his permission. Okay, how much? It's robbery. And my father's anger, BP level, suppose. My father's anger. And I took 50 rupees. Then evening he called me and he asked me, 50 rupees you took? Yes, Papa, we went to the cricket match. So I need that, that's why I took. Okay, he said, okay. The next day, after 2 days, again I'm going like that. And again shirt fall down. And the next time I saw 100 rupees in his pocket. Again I took off without his permission. Evening he called me. He said me bit serious. You should not take like that. And next time again 500 rupees. Next time 1000 rupees. Like, see, his anger will increase. One day I took 5,000 rupees. He invited into the room. And after next day he bought the new belt. Like that, the experiment. So in this, experiment number 1 is my robbery. Experiment number 2 is my father's anger on me at that incident. Now his anger is increasing because the amount I'm taking from his pocket is increasing. Can anyone say which one is dependent, which one is independent? Can anyone say which one is dependent, which one is independent? You didn't understood? Okay, leave it. If you didn't understand, leave it. Okay, good example. So I'm talking about the differentiation. Whenever we are talking about the differentiation, we need 2 types of events. One is dependent event, other one is an independent event. How much the change in the dependent event with respect to independent event is called differentiation. Okay, and these all are not changed. So here we can say that if let x is an independent event and f of x is a dependent event, how much the change in f of x, that is with respect to x, That is f of x plus h minus, this is the thing. And they'll ask what is h there. H is not a very lengthy value. H is called very smallest value. That we can say that f dash of x is equal to. I'll write it neatly. See, I write it neatly. The topic name is called differentiation. Differentiation. The rate of change of dependent event with respect to independent, that is independent event, is called differentiation. That is, let f of x be a function that is dependent event, comma, where x is independent, then limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h is called differentiation. That is, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So 2 years we'll study a topic name is called calculus. Limits, derivatives, integration. In between continuity is there. So actually how the topics will be divided now. First limits. Next continuity. Next differentiation. This is the order. These two things we'll study in the +2. And here they introduced the differentiation in the +1 again. That's why a small introduction and 2 to 3 days we'll do, and we'll go to the any other chapter. So now how master? If I take f of x is equal to x square, some boy will ask, sir, what is its derivative? Whenever you are calculating the derivative, we have to write the formula limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. That is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h na. f of x का वैल्यू क्या? x स्क्वायर है, f of x plus h का x plus h होल स्क्वायर है. इसमें क्या हुआ तो इसमें क्या सेम थिंग आया, लेट x plus h तो x plus h होल स्क्वायर minus x square by h. That is limit x tends to 0, x square a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2hh plus h square minus x square by h. There x square getting cancelled. That is equal to limit h tends to 0, 2hx plus by h. Separately h is cancelled. They'll get cancelled. 99% they'll get cancelled. Now put h is equal to 0. It will become 2x. So the theory is very good. If you are not able to understand, please let me know. First copy it. I'll explain it again. Please copy it. Please copy it. I'll explain it again. Ah. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please copy the next example. Please copy the next example.
Completed, sir.
Right, one more question. Look at that limit value. If you are not able to understand, look at one more thing. Sir, nothing, sir. Derivative is nothing but change. When you are studying class 8, what is your height? When you are studying class 11, what is your height? Is there is changes there or not? Yes, definitely the change is there.
Yes, sir.
How much the change there? Change is there. How much the change? That's called derivative. But whenever you are calculating the derivative, not for years and years, hours and hours, it is for seconds and second. Now next second, now next second, now next second. How the increase will be? That is called derivative. We will not calculate like today what is your height and tomorrow what is your height. Not tomorrow. Today and the next second. Maybe in humans there is no that much. But when we are talking about a plant or a seed, every second there is some growth in that. How much it is changing? That itself is called derivative. One more example, see if you want, I'll say. F of x is equal to x cube. They're asking find dy by dx using first principle of derivative. See what we wrote that formula na, there, please add a word. It is called please add that word. It is called first principle of derivative. It is called first principle of derivative. Okay, now have a look. So most of the members, you may not understand what is this. Nothing else, Baba. First write the formula dy by dx equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This also no need to mug up. Understand there is a curve like this. And this is called x, an immediate number. If I write here, you can't see, no. That's why I zoom the thing, and this is called h. And this distance is called h. When it is x, its functional value is f of x. This is x plus h. Its a functional value is f of x plus h. Now, f is a dependent variable. Sir, we all are dependent students. Na? Whenever you want to buy something, we'll ask our father or mother. Means we are depending on our parents. The parents are earning by own. And one is called the dependent, independent. Whatever the experiment you will take, see, everywhere, one independent, one dependent will be there. Now, when independent is changing, definitely there is a change in dependent. How much is the change? That only I wrote f of x plus h minus f of x by a दोनों का subtraction. Their x getting cancelled. See, f of x is equal to x cube they gave na. If I am saying f of y, you have to write y cube. If I say f of x plus h, you have to write x plus h whole cube. Like that, you have to write. What is there? The same thing. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0. X plus h whole cube minus x cube by h. That is limit h tends to 0. X plus h whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula, you know. A plus b whole cube. Anyone know this? A cube. No one is there. Please respond. A plus b whole cube
Yes.
formula.
X plus b
A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube.
equal
Like that, x cube plus 3x square h plus 3x h square plus h cube minus, sorry, it is f of minus x cube by h. X cube getting cancelled. X cube getting cancelled. Then limit h tends to 0. This h will be cancelled with everyone. Now limits, you know that. Already I trained you the limits. 3xh plus h square. Now put h is equal to 0. These two become 0. 3x square. So x cube ka derivative 3x square. Without understanding these boards, those three boards, you can't study anything. You can't study the class 1, class 2, class 1, class 2. It's damn sure. Understand it. Understand it. Okay, these are the things it will be useful for engineering. And whatever you'll study anywhere, it will be useful. Applications in natural life. One is changing, other one is also changing. Definitely it will change. How much it's changing? That's called derivative. X square, x cube. One more question I'm doing, sir. F of x is equal to sin x. Find df by dx using first principle of differentiation. First principle of differentiation. Another question. F of x is equal to sin x, df by dx. Na? First write df by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0. Formula f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula we know. That is equal to limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h, that is called sin x plus h minus f of x sin x by h. That is equal to limit x tends to 0. How it's look like? Sin c minus sin d. You know, in the trigonometry I did. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. That is 2 cos x plus h plus x by 2 into sin x plus h minus x by 2 by h. So last step, this is the formula we used. The last step, that is equal to limit h tends to 0, 2 into cos 2x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2 by h. You remember limits we did. What is formula, limit x tends to 0. Look at limit x tends to 0, sin x by x value is 1. Like your h by 2 is there now. Make it as h by 2 into 2. So this become 1. 2 getting cancelled. Now put h equal to 0. If you keep h is equal to 0, it will become cos 2x by 2. That is equal to cos x. Sin x differentiation. Like that above. So many things we can calculate. Sin x, cos x, tan x, x cube, x power 4, what not. If you understood, it's very good. If you not understand, also no issue, sir. I'll repeat again in the next class, same thing. Okay, copy this. Copy this. Please copy this. I'll explain it if you are not able to understand. It's not very easy. I know that it's very tough. Make it fast.
Complete, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Very good. Next one. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, anyone ask me? Shall I repeat the things again? Don't feel shy. Ask me. I'll repeat.
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat it. Next class, again the same thing. I'll repeat it. Okay, but please copy it. Meanwhile, I'll talk and you copy it. Meanwhile, if you understood, try to calculate the derivative for cos x. See, now on the screen, there is a derivative for sin x. Na? I know that you understood well. Find the derivative of cos x. Yeah, I know. I am saying I'll repeat it. Everything I'll repeat it because of some technical issue. We started the class bit late today. I'll repeat it. Anyway, doubt session will be there. Everything I'll discuss. So, what are the things we did today? First copy it. Copy it. Now I'm saying, so what are the things we studied? Copy it. Yeah. Enough. So now what are the things you studied? No? First one today, f dash of x. What is f dash of x? dy by dx you are writing. Df by dx, that is also known written as a f dash of x. Its formula is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. That is its formula. Limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. And the second thing we studied d by dx of x square. I got 2x. D by dx of x cube. I got 3x square.